Leaving. Sometimes, leaving behind what you've always known feels scary. To do something new, to feel something new. But maybe that's the thing about leaving. You don't always leave because you are ready. Sometimes, you leave because a part of you know it's time. And maybe this place was exactly where I needed to be to learn that.
Memory card ko, hindi ka kung bakit eh. 512 pa man din. 3 days lucky.
Talaga ha. Ayan.
We are going to Baguio, a place so familiar. Familiar roads, familiar views, familiar memories. But every once in a while, there's a quiet excitement in choosing the road you've never taken. The one that stretches a little farther. The one that leads beyond the familiar. To Benguet.
Hindi mo lang sa akin. Okay lang ba? Kahit nakatali.
Hello, smile lang, update. Say hi. Good morning. Mami.
Good morning, so lamig. Hindi yun mga...
It's so scary, pero it's fun. Pag kumakanta ka na, gusto mo mapawisan? Pwede ka naman mag-jogging dito. Yan o, ikutin mo. Our first stop is Mount Olis. It sits at around 7,900 feet or 2,408 meters above sea level, making it one of the highest and coldest accessible viewpoints in the Philippines. From here, you can get a peaceful escape with 360-degree panoramic views of the Cordillera mountain ranges, vegetable terraces, and if you're lucky enough, a beautiful sea of clouds. At this time, sobrang lamig and ang dami ring tao. Pero hindi yun naging hindrance para ma-appreciate namin yung beauty ng place. Somehow, being here made me realize how unfamiliar places can make you see things from a different perspective. Minsan, kailangan lang talaga natin lumayo sa nakasanayan natin para makita natin kung gaano kalawak yung mundo beyond what we already know. And maybe, that's what traveling is really about. Not just seeing new places, but allowing yourself to pause and look at life from a perspective you've never seen before.
Flowers swaying.
Morning, Mami. Sure, welcome to the Flower Farm. Mabuhay po.
Oh, this garden filled with tenderness.
Hi guys! So, right now is naghihintay na lang kami sa aming mga kasama and we're gonna take a photo on this rock. And ayun, yung dami ko. Hi ka naman! Hi!
Butterflies are dancing. Oh, this garden full of tenderness. In this sweet air, I sing softly. The world is bright. Flowers swaying in the wind. Oh, this garden filled with tenderness. Butterflies are dancing.
Siyempre, pag bumaba ka naman baba, ang layo na makakakitin mo. So, pero masaya. Maganda naman yung motivated.
Anong kabayan? Ay, tinapa.
Sabi ko, 2.5 hectares.
Hindi.
that place was kind of tiring to explore talaga because we had to walk up and down. So, medyo nakakapagod talaga siya. But it's definitely a great place to visit here in Benguet, especially if you are looking for beautiful photo opportunities.
It's beautiful life.
Now it's finally time for lunch here at our northern homes, and we are having something that really excites me right now. It's a big revelation, I swear. In 3, 2, 1. Chanan! It's bulalo! Finally, something warm and sabaw after being out in the cold. Like for real. So, ayun. Let me enjoy my lunch first and see you at Beacon Hill Eco Park. Bye! Guys, the bulalo here is so good. Okay, so another hiking na naman tayo, but you know, it's Baguio, it's Benguet, so it's already expected. And it's kind of hard to go up, but let's see if the view is really worth it. Wow, ang cute! So, tayo na yung turista. Ay, charot. Okay.
Bruh.
Anong kailangan kong gawin?
Anong kailangan kong gawin?
On my own, pretending he's beside me. All alone, I walk with him till morning. Kaya yan, me! OMG, guys. Get it. It's fun until it's not. Guys, to be honest, yung pagod dito, it's all in the, but it's also in the body.
It's all in the mind, it's all in the love.
It's all in the body.
Huh?
Hey guys! So, ngayon nasa Mount Camisong na kami. And change outfit na din. And mainit naman na, so okay lang na hindi mag-sweater and mag-long sleeves. We're just waiting to take a photo here. Kasi, of course, family picture. And then after that, bababa na kami to take some photos and to do some contents if magagawa ko. Kasi ngayon tired na, pero feeling ko naman kaya pa. Adjuma! There's sale! This is definitely one of my favorite places from day one because sobrang ganda ng place, I swear. Plus, they have a very, very advanced and comfortable restroom. Dito ako mirror video. And I would definitely recommend visiting this place if you are exploring Benguet. It's one of those spots na very worth it puntahan and experience for yourself. Guys, super cute ng CR nila. Very minimalist. I love it. Napagod na ate. Bow.
Hindi pa, I'm still fresh.
And the real game starts now. Anong kwentong Baguio mo? Sabi ko, it's great to see beyond familiar. But after chasing the unfamiliar, we found ourselves back to where it all began. Baguio. Benguet showed us the beauty of discovering something new. But coming back to Baguio reminded us that the places we know by heart can still surprise us if we return with different eyes. maybe that's the beautiful thing about coming back. The place doesn't have to change for the experience to feel different. Because every journey leaves a part of itself with you. Maybe it wasn't Baguio that changed. Maybe it was us. And that's why we'll always find our way back. Because every return becomes a new story.
Sugar.
Oo, naalala ko, kumain kami ng mais. Oh. Thank you, bye-bye. Oh. Perfect water. Okay. Gumaya lang ako, gumaya lang ako.
Parang pato yung napatang yung chat mo. Dapat nakatingin sa gilid. Dapat nakatingin pa si Kuya sa kabila. Ako nakatingin dito sa bangin.
Arnor, it's already morning, guys.
Mas mura yung JJ.
Ate daw, alis daw.
200 ma'am.
Mainit na si Bilisama.
Ano, tutuloy pa ba tayo bukas sa camp?
And perhaps this is what the journey was really about. Not just about leaving, not just about finding somewhere new, but about giving ourselves the chance to see things differently. We laughed, we got tired, we got lost, at sa gitna ng lahat ng lugar na napuntahan namin, doon namin na-realize na the journey was never really about the destination. It was about everything that happened in between. Because maybe that's what travel really gives us. Not just new places to remember, but new memories to carry, new stories to tell, and a new way of seeing the world. We left looking for something unfamiliar. Pero sa huli, umuwi kami may bagong pananaw. Because sometimes, you have to leave what you know to understand what truly matters. At siguro kapag natapos ng isang paglalakbay, hindi naman talaga tayo bumabalik na pareho pa rin eh. We return as someone a little different. Someone who has seen more, felt more, and lived a little more. Kung saan man tayo dalhin ng susunod na daan, sana hindi tayo matakot piliin ng hindi pamilyar. At sana, hindi natin makalimutan that every place we go, every road we take, and every moment we share becomes a part of the story we carry with us. And maybe that's the beauty of it all. We live, we wonder, we discover, we make memories, and eventually, we leave again. Not because the journey wasn't enough, but because there will always be another road waiting, another story waiting to be lived, another place waiting to be found. So here's to the place we've been, the place we're yet to see, and all the stories waiting for us along the way. Because sometimes, the most beautiful part of the journey is simply leaving.